The story of the birds and the wise owl. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived two birds called Sunny and Breezy. They built their cozy nests side by side on the sturdy branches of an ancient oak tree. The tree was a safe haven for their chirping baby birds, but their peace was shattered by a shadow, a mighty eagle with a sharp eye for easy meals. Whenever Sunny and Breezy flew off in search of food, Shadow would swoop down and threaten their little ones. One day, Sunny, known for her bright ideas, had a thought. What if we pretend our tree is dangerous? Let's gather some shiny objects and create a sparkling barrier. Shadow will think it's a fire and stay away. Breezy, the more cautious of the two, wasn't sure. It's a clever idea, but what if it doesn't work? We need a plan that ensures our baby's safety without risk. Seeking wisdom, they approached Wise Hoot, an old owl known for his knowledge and fairness. After listening to their plight, Wise Hoot suggested, why not build dummy nests to confuse Shadow? You can use leaves and twigs from other parts of the forest. Inspired, Sunny and Breezy worked together, creating decoy nests throughout the tree. When Shadow returned, he was baffled and confused by the numerous nests. While he wasted time inspecting each one, Sunny and Breezy quietly moved their babies to a hidden spot in the tree, safe and sound. In the end, Shadow, tired and confused, left the tree for good. Sunny and Breezy learned the value of seeking advice and working together to outsmart danger. The moral of this story is wisdom and cooperation are stronger than fear.